Hey guys, and welcome to the Werewolf EA installation video. Now the first thing you want to go ahead and do is open up File, go into Open Data folder, locate your MQL4 folder. Then you want to go ahead and unzip the file that we sent you, open the MQL4, copy and paste the experts and presets folders into your MQL4 folder on your MT4. Now once that is done, you can go ahead and close the window. Now once you close the window, we are going to go on to experts and hit refresh, and we can see that Werewolf EA is in our experts. Now what we're going to do is load up one of the 9 pairs. So in this case we're going to go ahead and put AUD/USD. We want to start from the weekly and go all the way to the left to the M1 time frame, and then we want to go into options, expert advisors, allow automated trading, and allow DLL imports. You want to make sure they're on. Then we're going to go ahead and load up Werewolf EA. We're going to go into the comment, check the allow DLL imports, allow live trading. Everything is on. We're going to go into the inputs. We're going to load up the preset for the correct pair. You want to make sure that the preset and the pairs match. So over here it's AUD/USD, and we can see that Werewolf is now loaded. We're going to go ahead and repeat this on some other pairs and repeat the exact same process for all 9 pairs. And once you're done, you want to send us an email so you can get your account activated.